Cinco de Mayo is often mistaken for Mexico's Independence Day, but it actually commemorates the Mexican Army's victory over French forces at the Battle of Puebla in 1862. General Ignacio Zaragoza led the Mexican forces during this pivotal battle, and his leadership became a symbol of Mexican resistance. Cinco de Mayo is celebrated more in the United States than in Mexico, where it is primarily a regional holiday in the state of Puebla. The holiday often features festive activities like parades, music, dancing, and delicious food, highlighting Mexican culture. Mariachi music is a key element of Cinco de Mayo celebrations, adding a lively atmosphere to the festivities. The celebration promotes unity and cultural appreciation, attracting people from all walks of life to join in the festivities. Traditional foods play a significant role in the holiday, with dishes such as mole poblano and tacos being popular choices. Cinco de Mayo is also an opportunity for educational events, teaching people about Mexican history and heritage. Celebrations often include tributes to national heroes, highlighting the importance of remembering those who fought for Mexico's sovereignty. Sports events are commonly organized during Cinco de Mayo, fostering community spirit and friendly competition among participants. Fireworks often cap off the day's celebrations, adding a magical touch to the festivities as families and friends gather to watch. Cinco de Mayo provides an opportunity for culinary and artistic workshops, encouraging people to connect with and appreciate Mexican traditions. Dance performances are a highlight of the holiday, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Mexico through lively music and choreography. Community gatherings are common on Cinco de Mayo, emphasizing the importance of friendship and celebration among neighbors. Live music events and refreshing drinks are integral parts of the celebration, creating an inviting atmosphere for participants. Costumes and parades play a significant role in the festivities, allowing individuals to express their pride in Mexican culture. Sweet treats and fun activities for children are essential components of the Cinco de Mayo celebrations, creating joyous memories for families. Festivals often feature various events, from food stalls to dance competitions, celebrating the spirit of community and cultural pride. Cooking competitions and art exhibitions are common during Cinco de Mayo, blending culinary and artistic talents while engaging the community. Picnics and street performances add to the celebratory mood, allowing people to relax and enjoy the day while being entertained. Parades featuring floats and speeches by community leaders highlight the significance of the holiday, promoting cultural awareness and pride. Creative cocktails and hands-on craft activities are popular during the festivities, engaging participants of all ages in the celebration. Celebrations can also take place in more intimate settings, such as family gatherings and barbecues, fostering a sense of togetherness and joy.